Hello there. So we're going to be talking about signs that you could see in your community. Specifically, we're going to talk about four of them. We're going to talk about the stop sign, a do not enter sign, a hospital sign, and a danger sign. Okay? So sign number one is the stop sign. So this is what it looks like. It is a red sign with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides, and it says stop in the middle of it. You often find these on the street, notifying cars to stop. You could also see them other places, maybe indoors, telling other people to stop. But this is the most common place. And what it means to stop, quit moving, stop. Okay. The next sign is the do not enter sign. This sign might look a little bit different depending on where it is. So it could be this circle, this red circle here that says do not enter. It might say restricted area, do not enter, which means do not go into that area. Here's some examples of where you might see it. So up here, I think this might be like a pool or something. It says restricted area, do not enter. So do not go into that area. That is what that sign is saying. Down here, it looks like a drive-through at McDonald's. And you can see that there is a do not enter sign because they do not want you going the wrong way through the drive-through, right? That could be dangerous, and so that's also important to look out for. Do not enter. And what does it mean? It means do not go in. So if you see this sign, you do not go in. All right, sign number 3. So this sign you often see when there is a hospital nearby. That's what that means. It is a blue square with an H in the middle of it. You'll often see it on the street, telling you or cars that there is a hospital nearby. Okay, and you might also see it on a sign like this. All right, last sign. This one has, it can have many different looks. So if you look over here, it could be this yellow color with this exclamation point in it. It might be the red color with the exclamation point in it. Or it might just say danger with some other words down here. And this sign means danger, okay? Like you could get hurt. And so you might see this, it could be on doors, so it could be a warning, like do not go in there, there is danger. You might see it on pill bottles or medication. See this little sign right here? May cause headache, it could hurt you, danger. So we need to look out for those. Those are also very important because if I see this sign, I know I am not gonna go in there or I need to be extra careful because there's danger. Okay, so now that we've learned a little bit about those 4 signs, you're going to use your knowledge to do this activity. So, first question here. What sign might you find here? So I want you to pause the video and point to which one of these signs you might see on these pill bottles. Go ahead and pause it. All right, so the one that you might find is the danger one, right? So do not enter doesn't make sense. It does not make sense to not enter a pill bottle. Stop doesn't really make sense either. And so the only one that's left is danger because these pills could be dangerous and we need to be careful. All right, go ahead and pause the video and point to the sign that you might find here. All right, if you chose stop, you are correct. See, when you get to this 4-way here, these cars are going to need to stop in case another car needs to go through. And so you might find a stop sign at these corners. Hospital, maybe, but I don't really see a hospital in this picture. Do not enter. I don't really see a place where they can't enter, and so stop sign makes the most sense. All right, go ahead and pause the video and point to the sign that you might find here. This one is a little trickier, but it is the do not enter sign. And that is because there's construction going on. We do not want you to enter right now. It could be dangerous. And so hospital, I don't really see a hospital nearby. Stop doesn't really make sense. So do not enter is the correct answer. This is your last one. Go ahead and stop the video and point to the sign that you might find here. If you chose hospital, you are correct. So when I see an ambulance, I think hospital. We are near a hospital, so it's likely that we might find the hospital sign here. All right, and that is all that I have for you today.